We're going to look at the Gale collection of databases. This is a really good one for any type of research, but we're going to look specifically for your science research topics. So you can click on that. The password is Go Lions. When you're prompted, put that in. I'm already signed in. You can see each one of these is a different collection of resources. Some of them are specific to Spanish. Some of them are specific to ELA and writing. Some of them are about ebooks. We're going to look at the ones that mostly have to do with science. There are a lot of good ones for science, though, so we're going to have lots of things to choose from. Opposing viewpoints in context is one that you may have looked at before. This one is a really good one. If you want to just do that one alone, you can. I'm going to put science in context in there also, and maybe student resources in context. But down further, there are more. These are separate, but you can go in. Research in context is another good one for you guys. So let's put in natural gas as a search term. Remember, keywords, you are keeping it simple, just the words that have exactly to do with what you're looking for. Natural gas. And you do a search. And I did choose a lot. Look how much I came back with. Well, actually more than that. You can limit it over here. If you've got way too many resources, you can look for ones that just contain pictures. You can set a time range or a date range if you'd like. I wanted natural gas, so I'm going to pinpoint that further. And I think I'm going to look for a cover story. If it's a cover story, it's probably going to be pretty good. So let me go ahead and click on that. But you can also limit by Lexile, reading level, and things like that if you want to do that. So natural gas volatility keeps heat in the chemical makers. Let's see. Natural gas friend or foe. That's got a nice title. And it is from Opposing Viewpoints in Context. So I'm going to look at that one and see. So you can read a little bit about it, and you can tell it's full text and it's a cover story. So let's see what it says. And you can see the search term is highlighted. And I actually looked this up before, and I took this note, and it stayed there. So I'm going to make another note and show you how to do that in just a second. You can listen to them. It's got citation tools. If you'd like to cite your source, you can choose either APA, Chicago, or MLA, probably APA, and you can download that, and I'll show you that in a minute. You can also print it, and you can highlight. I can see I have one highlight already on this article because I looked it up before. You can save it. If it has an MP3 version, you can download it. You can share it. You can also look for related subjects. But right now, I'm going to take some more notes. I already have this one. And let's see, what else can I add? The benefits, no, let's see. One critical role natural gas can play in New England is to provide reliable backup for intermittent wind and solar power. So it's a backup to those other natural powers, energy sources. And the other one I think I was going to share with somebody or add it to a slide. Maybe I want this in the second slide. And I'm making everything in the second slide green, just to keep track. So I'll put add to my second PowerPoint slide. And I can save that note as well. And you can see now I have two notes. See, two. And once I have that, and I know I want to use this article, I can save it to my Google Drive. And to do that, you will go over here to Tools, click Download, and it already is chosen. Use the default, save to Google Drive, but there are other places you can save it to. Download, and I get this message saying the documents have been sent to Google Drive and will appear shortly. Okay, and if I really want to check, I can go to my Google Drive and see if it's been added. It's under Power Search, I believe. And it's been added along with my notes. And everything, so it's pretty cool. See, there are my notes. Both notes are copied. And the citation is there. See, the highlighted passages are right there, and my notes are also there. So that is a good way to use Gale and how to download your notes and your article to Google Drive.